It's Renee here from Habitat for Humanity Brant-Norfolk. As promised, trying to check in semi-regularly to let you guys know kind of what's going on and what's the latest with our local affiliate. Still working from home, which has been challenging but fun, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to do it. The reason for today's video is just a quick heads up that April 19th to the 25th is National Volunteer Week. It's an amazing time. It's the time that across Canada we celebrate the 12.7 million volunteers that contribute so much to so many organizations and so many groups that otherwise would not be able to do the work that we do. So this year's theme is a time to applaud this country's volunteers. I want to take a quick moment to applaud each and every one of you. We had 205 unique volunteers that contributed to our organization last year, whether that's in the restore, on a construction site, working on special events, or sitting on a committee. There's no way we could do what we do without each and every one of you, so thank you very much. I want to personally applaud and virtually high five every single volunteer out there that is practicing their physical distancing, that is doing those best practices. Everyone that is still working, if you are in a position where you are still out kind of on the front lines, whether that's working in a grocery store, whether that's essential staff in healthcare profession, if it's, picking up our garbage every week, whatever it happens to be, thank you so much for doing what you're doing. Also want to applaud everyone that is still volunteering in some capacity or another, even if it's not physically with Habitat for Humanity. So I know I've spoken to a number of our volunteers that are keeping busy by sewing medical masks at home, or are running deliveries, who are checking in on neighbors to making sure that they have what they need if they're at higher risk and they can't go out to do their own groceries, that type of thing. So thank you very much. Part of National Volunteer Week, there were a number of events planned. There was to be a flag raising with the city of Brantford. Brava, which is the Brant Regional Association of Volunteer Administrators, had an event planned in coordination with the city of Brantford. That has unfortunately been postponed. Same with the appreciation lunch that the NOVA group, which is the Network of Volunteer Administrators for Halden and Norfolk, had planned in Simcoe. That has been postponed, unfortunately. And some things at the local level that we wanted to do as well. So we will still be showing you our appreciation and our love next week. It's going to be primarily done online at this point. So check our Facebook, check our Insta. If you're not following those two things, now's a great time to do it. We'll be posting updates on our website as well. What I'm asking of you is, during this time of kind of quarantine, physical distancing, take a moment to wear with pride one of your Habitat shirts and show off what you're doing. So are you wearing your shirt while you're doing your gardening at home? Are you doing it while you're reorganizing your kitchen? Are you doing it while you're homeschooling your kids? Take those pictures and please send them to me, volunteer@habitatbn.org. I will be sharing those online next week, so please, if you send them to me, be sure that you are willing and able to give us permission to share those. And stay tuned for next week as we show you the love carefully from a distance, but we definitely want to make sure you all know how much you are loved and missed, and we hope to see you all soon.